Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I hope you all are well. So my many friends ask me how to download movie in Hindi dub. So I have a special solution for all of you. So let's see how to download movie in Hindi dub with HD quality. Okay guys? So you don't need anything, like you don't need any app, any application in this process. So you simply have any browser, like I have Chrome browser, so I simply open it. After then you simply open a new tab and write it cat movie, sorry, cat movie HD. Okay, so after then you come into this site, and you can see it, the bad investigate legend of. You can select any movie guys. The drama serials is also available in this site. You can download it with Hindi dubbed, and the guys, the subtitle is also available. Okay, so first I select this movie. Let's see guys, the ads coming on my screen. I simply ignore this. So let's see some movie guys. A screenshot is also available on this movies guys. You can see it. um it's a mystical movie, so it's a action, comedy, crime, drama, history, mystery and thriller. So let's see how to download. So guys, you have three link available. Okay, the 480p link is a lowest link, and 720 is a, it's a good link, and the 1080p, it's a very best link, is a very HD link. Okay, so you simply select the link, and the file size is also available guys. I simply click it, and after then the some ads are coming, and this is the verify are you immune. So I simply am I'm not a robot, please wait. Click the generate link, please wait. The some ads are coming on like this, you simply ignore the ads. So now you come the download link. So you can see guys, it's many links available, like you can download any link, click on any link. So I like this, I select the G Drive hub. So now I'm gonna download it. You simply click the download button, just wait, it's downloading. After then they generate another link, so sorry guys. After then you can see it download here. So now you select the browser, it's a Chrome browser. So you can see this. So we are processing this video, check back. So guys, don't worry, it's no big issue. So you can download button, you can click on download button guys. So select again Chrome. So look at this guys, download anyway. So you can see this guys, it's downloading. Look at this guys, it's downloading the bad investigate 2019. I already download two movies guys. You can see this, it's a battle of Skyark. It's a real, you can see this, and I download two movies. So guys, I hope you enjoy my video. So if you wanna know about the latest movies, you simply subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you guys, Allah Hafiz.